Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to hide apps on iPhone or iPad. It's very simple tips and tricks. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So look at this here, bunch of application I have, but some of application I need to hide because of security. So how to do it? Suppose for example I just want to hide my Facebook, so I just simply click here, long click, and then edit home screen. So look at this, such kind of options comes early in if you remove the application. So again click here in the minus logo, and here three options are come: delete app, remove from home screen, and cancel. So don't go as a delete app, you just simply select here remove from home screen. I click and the application is removed. Now the application is not here, but how to access this application? So it's very simple. Via app library you can very easily access this application. I just simply type here Facebook and the application are displayed here, and it's very simple process to hide application and then again access this particular application using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.